Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. I hope you all are doing fine. So today in this video we will see if we have a CSV file or if we have a data in this format and we want to split this data in different columns. So how can we do that? In this video we will see how to split this in 3 different ways. So the first way is writing the formula. So let's write the formula in C2 column. So here I will be writing equal to text split. So text split, I will select the text and the delimiter. So here you can see that the text is been delimited by the comma. So I will just give the delimiter as a comma and I will press enter. So you can see that the data which is present in A column, it is like first data is salesperson, then second is January, third is February. So like that way now it has been splitted in different columns. And now you can do same thing by dragging the formula like this way, clicking on this small square button and dragging it down, or else you can just select the range in which you want the formula to drag and press Ctrl T. So same thing has happened, like the formula has been dragged till this cell C15. The second way to do that is, let me remove this. The second way to do this is like I will select this, I will go to data, and then in data you can see text to column. So I will press on this function delimit, next, and then we have delimiter as a comma. So by default it has been selected as a tab, but here we have as a comma. If we are going to select as a space, then you can see that in sales and person, there is the space between these two words, so it has been delimited in that way. But here we just have a comma, so we'll press next and finish. So you can see now that particular thing has been delimited in this way. Suppose if we don't have the comma and any other delimiter. So let me replace this, find comma and replace with a pipe and replace all. So I will select this again, I will go to text to column, and now you can see that it has been selected as a comma. So I will go to other. If we have a space, semicolon or tab in this as a delimiter, you can directly select it over here. If not, if something else is there, then you can select other, and then I will be just giving that pipe. So you can see that the pipe delimiter is now visible and your data will be splitted in this way, and you click next and finish. So again it has been delimited. The third and the easiest way, or you can say the very easy shortcut, is again this way only, but the keyboard shortcut. So we just have to simply press Alt AE and automatically this text to column box will get open. And we will press next, and then we have already given the pipe as a delimiter. If anything else is there, you can just select that, click on finish, and then it will get split that way. So this was so simple to split your data in such an easy way. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video, and if you want to learn such simple tricks, you can follow our channel, and we have the PowerPoint tricks also, Power BI tricks also. You can go and check our other playlist as well. Thank you.